Locked out of your ADP account. Resetting your password is a quick process to regain access and secure your account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. On the ADP login page, click the Forgot Your User ID, Password link. You'll be asked to verify your identity, usually by entering your registered email address or answering security questions. Once verified, you'll receive an email with a secure link to create a new password. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. After resetting, you can return to the login page and use your new credentials. My crucial pro tip: bookmark the ADP login portal for your company. Always reset your password through this official, bookmarked link, not a link from a random email, to avoid phishing scams. When in doubt, contact your company's ADP administrator. Just like that, you're back in control and your data stays protected. Do you use a password manager to keep track of logins like this? Share your best security tip below. For more quick fixes that save the day, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.